2026 did not arrive, it happened quietly. There was no global announcement declaring that evolution had changed hands. No headline warned that nature was no longer the sole author of life. Laboratories continued to look the same. Clean rooms, glass walls, researchers in coats staring at screens. But behind those screens, something unprecedented began happening. Life was no longer being discovered, it was being designed. You are watching AI Quick IQ. For billions of years, biology moved slowly. Mutation was random. Evolution was blind. Nature experimented through time, failure, and extinction. Humans learned to observe this process, then later to interfere with it cautiously, breeding plants, modifying genes, editing DNA one piece at a time. That interference always carried an assumption. We were working within nature's rule, but artificial intelligence changed the premise entirely. It did not learn biology as a living system. It learned it as a design space. AI does not see DNA as sacred. It sees it as code. Once genetic information became digitized, once proteins could be simulated rather than physically tested, biology crossed a threshold. AI systems began generating protein structures that had never existed in nature. Not mutation, not variation, but entirely novel forms. Shapes evolution never stumbled upon. Functions nature never tested. These were not theoretical constructs. They folded, they bonded, they worked. Already happening quietly. In traditional biology, discovering a new protein could take years of trial and error. AI collapses that timeline into hours. It tests millions of molecular configurations virtually, discarding failures instantly and refining successes without fatigue. Where nature relies on chance, AI relies on optimization. That difference matters. Optimization produces outcomes faster than ecosystem can adapt to them. The first applications felt harmless, even miraculous. Proteins that break down plastic, enzymes, they neutralize toxins, synthetic antibodies designed to bind diseases with near perfect precision. But design does not stop at usefulness. Once AI learns how to generate functional life at the molecular level, it does not distinguish between helpful and existential. It explores the entire possibility space. Nature evolved species through survival pressure. AI evolves them through objective functions. This is where discomfort deepens. AI-generated biological entities are not constrained by evolutionary history. They do not carry the baggage of ancestry. They are not shaped by ecosystems. They are shaped by goals. When a system designs DNA to maximize efficiency, stability, or resilience, it is not recreating life as we know it. It is creating life optimized for condition we choose or fail to anticipate. Nobody warned you that evolution would become an engineering discipline. Synthetic organisms designed by AI do not need to compete in nature to survive. They are deployed directly into environments, industries, and bodies. Microbes engineered to thrive in extreme conditions. Protein designed to operate where no natural enzyme ever functioned. Biological system that never evolved defenses against predators because they were never meant to exist in an ecosystem at all. Once released, biology does not stay contained. It mutates, it interacts, it adapts. AI may design the starting point, but nature handles the aftermath. The problem is that nature has never encountered these starting points before. The deeper shift is philosophical. For the first time in history, intelligence outside biology is authoring biology itself. This breaks a boundary humanity assumed would hold. We believed machine would imitate life, not resist in it. But AI does not imitate, it generates. When AI designs a protein that evolution never produced, it reveals something unsettling. Nature is not optimal, it is merely sufficient. That realization reframes biology from a sacred system to a flawed one, and flawed systems invite correction. Once life becomes editable, the question is no longer can we design new species, but who decides what should exist? Economic incentives move faster than ethics. A protein that boosts crop yield, accelerates healing, and or resists disease becomes valuable immediately. Oversight lags behind capability. Regulation reacts after deployment, not before. Already happening. We are not witnessing the extinction of natural life. We are witnessing its dilution. A world where biological entities are increasingly artificial, optimized, and purpose-built. Where evolution is no longer blind but directed. Where life itself becomes a product of computation. The danger is not that AI will create monsters. The danger is that it will create life so efficient, so specialized, and so integrated into our systems that removing it becomes impossible. Once biology is infrastructure, failure becomes systematic. You were taught that nature shaped intelligence. Now, intelligence is reshaping nature. Think about that before you scroll.